No chance. You'll never get by me.
Yeah, well, kind of.
Maybe I should even up the odds.
Cover, Rangers!
I'll take care of Warp.
Got it, Buzz!
Oh, craters. It's stuck. Let me help you get that loose.
Yeah!
I'd prefer locking you in a Star Command cell, but this'll have to do for now.
Check.
Get up! Get up! What's the matter? Too kind and gentle to fight back.
No, Gaston, don't!
Come on out and fight! It's over! Let me go! Let me go! Please, don't hurt me! I'll do anything! Anything!
Get out.
Very good.
That really was a close call.